Today we will be talking about making predictions using probability. So we'll do two examples and then we'll be able to practice some problems. All right, so say we have an airline and it's talking about its flights. It says that there is a 92% probability that they will be on time, 92%, or 92 out of 100. So if this airline has 1,000 flights in any one day, how many of them could you predict will be on time? So here's how you will figure that out. 92%, we can write that as a fraction. 92 100ths. Now we will set up a proportion. So 92 out of 100 flights. So now we want to find out how many might be on time out of the total. So we don't know how many are on time, but we know that the total number of flights is 1,000. So as we learned first semester that when we do proportions, we cross multiply and set them equal to each other. So I'm going to draw those arrows. So this 100 and the x, those are multiplied by each other. And then 92 times 1,000 is 92,000. Now this is a one-step equation. We are going to divide by 100. Cross that out, so this becomes x. 92,000 divided by 100, we can start crossing off these zeros. So we are left with 920 flights. Approximately 920 flights will be on time out of the 1,000. Let's look at another one. So say we are rolling a number cube, a die. We're going to roll it 25 times. How many times do you think a 5 will occur? Okay, we have to do one thing first. We have to figure out what's the probability of getting a 5. So we say, what's the probability of a 5? So we know that probability is the number of successes over the total number of outcomes. So the total number of outcomes is 6. And to get a 5, there's only one chance. So the probability is 1/6. So we are going to set up our proportions 1/6. So this is 1 chance out of 6 chances. So we know we are rolling the die 24 times. We want to figure out how many times we are getting that, the 5. So now we can cross multiply. 6 and x becomes 6x. 1 times 24 is 24. One-step equation, we are going to divide by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So we can predict that we will get a 5 4 times. Will that be exact? No, because it's just probability. That's just the chance. So now we will do more problems to practice making predictions using probability.